Once you've separated with your partner, many questions will arise and you may need help to come to agreements regarding what happens to your belongings, your pets, property, and especially children. So tell me, Diane, how long after separation should you see a family lawyer?
You should see a family lawyer generally as soon as possible.
Because a lot of people put it off, don't they?
Absolutely. And they put it off because they're emotional, they don't think they need to, they think they can reach their own agreement, which is great and which most people can do. But even if it's just for some general information on if they have an agreement, what they can do with that agreement. Can they formalise it into something that is binding on both parties? They can get some general information about what should happen with the children, what should happen with the property, and they may just have some general questions on what to do. The reality is information and knowledge is key, and having that can only benefit them.
Yeah, knowledge is definitely power. So is there anything that people need to avoid doing after they separate?
Look, separation is a really tough time for everyone. It's really traumatic. People may do things or say things that are really hurtful. My suggestion would be to avoid doing those things or saying those things. Avoid things like social media. Avoid sending text messages that are nasty that you may regret sometime in the future. The reason I say that is because people, if they have children, that can only benefit their children in that they can remain friends throughout the process and into the future.
Because you do see a lot of people airing their dirty laundry on Facebook in particular.
Absolutely. And that can sometimes also be used against them, but what it does do, it creates animosity, and it may create animosity where there doesn't need to be animosity between the parties. And if they are able to talk, have a chat, not say hurtful things, then it will only benefit them in the long run.
Great advice. So how can Ruhl Family Law help with separation then?
We can assist in a variety of ways. If parties have an agreement, which is great because they've controlled the outcome, we'll be able to help them formalise that agreement. If they haven't been able to reach an agreement, we can help negotiate an agreement and then formalise it. Or unfortunately, if there is an inability for them to be able to reach an agreement for a number of reasons, and there are many reasons why people can't reach agreements, then we'll be able to help them through the court process.
Fantastic. So if you have just separated from your partner, please do contact Ruhl Family Law for advice on what to do from here onwards.